Scene script. Have you ever wondered just how big the planets in our solar system are compared to our own Earth? The universe is an immense expanse of space, filled with countless celestial bodies, each unique in its own right. The sheer vastness of it all can be quite overwhelming. It's like a cosmic ocean, and we're just a tiny speck floating in its infinite depths. To comprehend this grandeur, let's start by focusing on our very own cosmic neighborhood, the solar system. Our solar system is a bustling family of 8 planets, each varying in size, composition, and appearance. Among these celestial siblings, Earth is our familiar home, but how does it stack up against its planetary kin? Well, if we were to shrink the Earth down to the size of a standard basketball, some of our planetary neighbors would seem surprisingly small, while others would be shockingly large. For instance, Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, would be no bigger than a grape. On the other end of the spectrum, Jupiter, the largest planet, would dwarf our basketball-sized Earth, being comparable to a small car. But it's not just about size. The diversity in our solar system extends to the planet's environments and compositions too. Some are rocky and barren, others are cloaked in thick clouds of gas, while some have icy surfaces that stretch on for miles. Each planet is a world in its own right, with its own unique identity and story to tell. Understanding the scale of our solar system is about more than just comparing sizes. It's about appreciating the diversity and complexity of the universe we live in. It's about realizing our place in the grand cosmic scheme of things. It's about marveling at the wonders of space and the celestial bodies that inhabit it. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a journey of astronomical proportions. From the smallest planet to the largest, from the hottest to the coldest, we're going to explore them all. Let's delve into the fascinating world of space and understand the scale of our solar system. Starting with the smallest, Mercury is just over a third of the size of Earth. That's right, this petite planet is only about 3,300 miles in diameter, making it the baby of our solar system family. But don't let its size fool you. Mercury is a world of extremes. With days that can heat up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit and nights that can plunge to a bone-chilling minus 290 degrees, this little planet is anything but mild. Mercury's surface is scarred by craters and basins, a testament to its tumultuous past. Its iron-rich core takes up about 75% of the planet's radius, a proportion much larger than Earth's. Despite its small size, Mercury has a massive impact on our understanding of the solar system. Mercury may be the smallest, but it's just the beginning of our journey through the solar system. Next up, we have Venus, often referred to as Earth's twin. Imagine a world almost the same size as our own, but with a few key differences. Venus, the second planet from the Sun, is only slightly smaller than Earth. It has a diameter of about 12,040 kilometers, just a touch smaller than Earth's diameter of 12,742 kilometers. But what makes Venus our twin? It's all about the similarities. Venus and Earth share a similar mass and density, and both planets have a central core, a molten mantle, and a crust. However, don't pack your bags just yet. Venus's surface temperature can reach a sweltering 467 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than the surface of Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. So while Venus might be a near match in size, it's a far cry from the habitable world we call home. Venus shows us that size isn't everything when it comes to planets. Moving on, we reach Mars, the red planet. Roughly half the size of Earth, Mars, with its rusty red appearance, stands out in our solar system. This red hue, as you might have guessed, comes from iron oxide or rust that covers its surface. Mars is a fascinating world. It's home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano and largest shield volcano known in the solar system, standing almost 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It also has the longest canyon, Valles Marineris, which stretches over 2,500 miles long. That's nearly the width of the United States. Despite being smaller than Earth, Mars has a very similar day length, just over 24 hours, and a tilt that gives it seasons much like ours. But don't let the similarities fool you. Mars is a frigid desert, with temperatures often dropping below -80 degrees Celsius. Mars may be smaller than Earth, but it holds a big place in our exploration of space. Now to the giants of our solar system, Jupiter and Saturn. Appearing as shining beacons in our night sky, Jupiter and Saturn are the behemoths of our solar system, dwarfing the Earth in size. Both are gas giants, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, the very same elements that make up our Sun. Their enormity is truly breathtaking. Let's start with Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Its diameter is more than 11 times that of Earth, and you could fit over 1,000 Earths inside it. To put it simply, Jupiter is a monster of a planet, but its size isn't its only striking feature. The planet is well known for its Great Red Spot, a storm so large it could swallow Earth whole. And let's not forget about its impressive band of rings and its 67 known moons. Then there's Saturn, the second largest planet in our solar system. It's about 9 times the size of Earth in diameter, and you could fit over 700 Earths inside it. Saturn is most famous for its stunning rings, composed of billions of particles of ice, dust, and rock. These rings stretch out more than 7,000 miles from the planet. Saturn also has an impressive number of moons, with at least 62 known. While they may be far away, these gas giants have a significant impact on our solar system. Their immense gravity influences the paths of many celestial bodies, including asteroids, comets, and even some planets. And although they may seem inhospitable to us, with their turbulent atmospheres and lack of a solid surface, studying these gas giants can provide valuable insights into the formation and evolution of our solar system. When we think of our blue planet, nestled between Venus and Mars, it's hard to fathom just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. The sheer size of Jupiter and Saturn makes our home seem like a tiny speck in the vast expanse of space. The gas giants truly put into perspective the size of Earth in our solar system. Next, we venture to the outer reaches of our solar system, to Uranus and Neptune. These distant worlds, known as the ice giants, are each a unique spectacle of cosmic beauty. Uranus, the 7th planet from the Sun, is about 4 times the diameter of Earth. Its azure blue color, due to the presence of methane in its atmosphere, gives it a distinct appearance. Moving further out, we find Neptune, the 8th and farthest known planet from the Sun. Slightly smaller than Uranus, Neptune is still about 4 times the size of Earth. Its deep blue color is also due to methane, but Neptune's atmosphere contains more of this gas, giving it a richer hue. Despite their distance from us, Uranus and Neptune have a lot to teach us about the formation and evolution of planets. The ice giants, Uranus and Neptune, remind us of the incredible diversity of our solar system. Now that we've journeyed through our solar system, it's time to summarize. From the smallest to the largest, each planet in our solar system presents a unique perspective on scale. Mercury, our most petite neighbor, is a mere 1/3 the size of Earth. It's almost as if you could tuck 3 Mercuries into the volume of our home planet. Next in line, Venus, often referred to as Earth's twin, isn't so twin-like when it comes to size. It's around 95% the size of Earth, making it slightly smaller but still remarkably similar. Then there's Mars, the famous red planet. Despite its reputation for grandeur, Mars is only about half the size of Earth. If you were to compare the two, you'd need 2 Mars for 1 Earth. As we move further from the Sun, the planets become dramatically larger. Jupiter, the first of our gas giants, is over 11 times the diameter of Earth. It's so massive that over 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. Saturn, though slightly smaller than Jupiter, is still an impressive 9 times the size of Earth. Picture this: over 700 Earths could nestle comfortably within Saturn's boundaries. Uranus and Neptune, our ice giants, while smaller than the gas giants, still dwarf Earth with their sizes. Uranus is about 4 times the size of Earth, and Neptune is slightly larger, at 4.5 times the size of Earth. Understanding these sizes not only gives us a sense of scale, but also allows us to comprehend our place in the universe. It's mind-boggling to think that we inhabit such a small corner of our solar system, let alone the universe. As we continue to explore and learn more about the cosmos, we come to appreciate more deeply the incredible diversity and vastness that exists beyond our own planet. With a universe so vast and diverse, it's truly humbling to consider our place amongst the stars.